Now look at this table, how that active form of the verb changed into passive form. If you know how to change that verb form, it will be very easy. Simple present. In simple present, the verb form plus s or es. That means, for example, if the word write, writes, both are active form. And in passive, it will be written along with the helping verb is, am, or plus V3 form. V3 in the sense past participle. So in all the passive voice forms, we will be using V3 past participle along with the helping verb. So if then it will be is written, am written, or written. Next one, present continuous. Is, am, or plus verb plus ing. For example, writing. Already helping verb is given. In that case, if it is continuous, we will be using a special word called being. If it is continuous, in passive form, we will be using the special word called being. Is being written, am being written, or being written. If it is present perfect, in present perfect, has, have written, have written. In passive form, the special word been will be used. Just like in continuous, how we are using the word being, in perfect tense, we will be using the word been. So, has been written, have been written. Simple past, wrote. For example, the V2, the past tense for write is wrote. If wrote is given, simple past is given in active voice. In passive form, it will be along with the helping verb was written, were written. So you have to observe that all the verb form ending in past participle in passive voice. Past continuous, was writing, were writing. It will change it into was being written, were being written. So only difference between the present continuous and past continuous is that helping verb. So in the present continuous, it will be is being written, am being written, or being written. In past continuous, it will be was being written, were being written. The next one, the sixth one is past perfect. Had plus V3. Had written. For example, had written. Had written changed into had been written. I already told you, if it is perfect tense, we have to use the special word been in passive form. Had been written. In simple future, shall or will write. Shall write, will write. It will be used as shall be written, will be written in passive form. So in other modal auxiliaries also, it will be like be written. And future perfect, shall have written, will have written, changed into shall have been written, will have been written. So if any other modal auxiliary verb is given, for example, can, could, may, might, must, should, etc., then along with that we have to use be verb plus past participle. Can written changed into can be written. Must written changed into must be written.